Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you guys 4 ways you can make a lot of money right now on the DoorDash platform. By the way, don't worry about my shirt. It's a little, messy. I just had to put this on and really get into, shooting this video real quick. So let's get right into the video. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Titus Bobab. Today I wanted to get on the camera real quick and share with you guys 4 ways you can make a lot of money right now on the DoorDash platform, okay? So let's get right into the video, okay? Number 1, you want to accept every orders, okay? Number 2, you want to learn from your experience. Number 3, you want to set a goal to make $1,000 every week. And number 4, you want to get into the Top Dasher program. Let's go into number 1. So number 1, accept every orders. Guys, let me be honest with you, okay? This whole DoorDash gig economy is all a number games, okay? It's all a number game, okay? If you take out or accept a lot of deliveries, most likely you will land some higher tips and some lower tips. You do not control if the customer is going to give you a bigger tip or the customer is going to give you a small tip. All you can control is accepting a lot of orders and play the number game. You see, I said this in one of my previous videos before. If you haven't watched it, I'm going to put the link down in my bio, how you can make $4,000 every single month. Watch the video. You see, the mindset behind accepting every order is that you play this game where, you get to a place where when you can accept every order, you're going to get to a place where it's all number games. Sometimes you're going to get a bigger tips, sometimes you're going to get a smaller tips. But if you can do that every day, consistently in the field, I'm telling you, you're going to see your numbers going to start to go up, and that can lead to a lot of great stuff because you can start making more money. You can also start learning from your experience. That's going to lead to point number 2. You want to learn from your experience. The purpose of accepting every order is that, listen, okay, you're going to see a little bit of patterns, all right? When you can accept a lot of orders, you're going to start paying attention. Where is my hot spot? Which restaurant do I go to, or where do I sit to receive the higher tips, the higher deliveries? Different markets might be different, but I'm telling you, it's all the same. Okay, when you start to learn from your experience, what's going to happen is that you raise your awareness about the game. You're excited. You know what's going to happen. You know where to go and sit, where to go and get those higher deliveries. Pay attention to your hot spot. Pay attention to restaurant that's sending out or where you can receive higher orders with bigger tips and just more way you can get more volumes. When you can learn from your experience, you will really be able to make a lot of money on the DoorDash platform. And the goal over here is that when we go out there, we want to really maximize your time. Listen, okay, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, okay? You want to go out there and really maximize your time. Don't go out there and just be like, oh, this order, I don't want to take this, I don't want to take that. Listen, you are losing time. And that's some pressure time you're not going to get back. So learn from your experience. Pay attention to where you go, you receive bigger orders. That will lead you to pay attention to your hot spots. Okay? Every city have a hot spot. It's your job to learn from your experience, and that will really get you to really focusing on where's the hot spots, which restaurant do I go to that really going to get me some bigger order, and just sit there and wait for this bigger deliveries to come in. All right, so that's point number 2. Now, before we get to point number 3, okay, I'm gonna ask you guys to please, okay, if this information is really helping you out, please smash the like button on this video so it can really help the channel out. And if you do, I will send you some really good African food. I'm gonna order it myself and mail it right to your house, okay? Secondly, it's gonna really help with the channel, and YouTube can recommend this video to more people that wanna make more money on the DoorDash platform, just like you and me, okay? With that being said, let's go on to point number 3. So point number 3 is that you want to set a goal to make $1,000 every week. Okay, the purpose of goal is not to get stuff. The purpose of goal is to bring more of yourself to the surface. I said this in one of my previous videos. Okay, you see, when you set a goal, you get into a different mentality. Okay, most especially on this DoorDash platform or the gig economy in general. When you set a goal, you get into a different mentality, because now when you have those orders coming in, and not just, oh, I'm receiving orders from this restaurant. No, you have a number in mind that you need to get to. Right? If you're accepting every orders, you're paying attention to learning from your experience, that 1K a week that you set up for yourself, it's going to be very, very easy to get to, because now you're learning from your experience, you're accepting all those orders, you understand that you're not going out there to just, as a delivery guy or a delivery girl. No, you're going out there to accomplish your goal. You want to really make use of your time when you're out there. Guys, this is very, very simple. Set that goal to make that 1K every single month. And if you can do that, I promise you, you will be in a good standing, and you can really elevate on the DoorDash platform. It's going to affect your ratings. You're going to get a lot of good feedback from customers, because why? You're accepting every orders, you're learning from your experience, you set that goal of 1K every single week, and you can do it. Why? Because it's possible. It's just a number game. So set that goal to achieve that 1K every single week. It's going to push you into a different mindset, and that will separate you from anyone else out there that's dashing. I do that all the time. It's possible, and you can do it yourself. Now, let's get into the last and final point on how you can make more money fast now on the DoorDash platform. Number 4 is that you want to get into the Top Dash program. I cannot stress this out a lot. Guys, in the gig economy, the ability to dash when you want to dash, and when it's slow, you get orders. This really separates you from a lot of people. You see, as a top dasher, you want to be able to, like I said, really maximize your earning on the platform. Don't go out there and just want to go out there, waste time with your gas. Listen, you're going out there, you want to have that mentality. When I go out there, I want to make money. I want to make this stuff work for me. Make the DoorDash app work for you. The app works, okay? Different markets might have different, volume in terms of orders and stuff like that, but it's all about the mentality. This thing is very, very simple. It's all about the mentality. Set a goal to get into the Top Dash program. When you get into the Top Dash program, you can control your time, where you can get on and just dash. And with that, you will be able to make a lot of money on the DoorDash platform. I promise you, I do this all the time. It's very, very easy. I promise you, right now, I'm telling you, you want to really take this opportunity serious, because I'll be honest with you, you don't want to go back to the job that you hate. You know what I'm saying? And I know a lot of friends that have really capitalized on this opportunity, and they're making way more. Why? Because he studied this whole gig economy. He know how to work the system. Now, with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you follow me on social media, Instagram at AYRadioFit. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. It's going to really help the channel grow. It was great speaking with you guys. Thanks for watching. Hit the like, subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys on the next video. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out.